action, real special effects, real fun, thrills, and entertainment. Trains leave approximately every 10 minutes. So grab a friend and experience the excitement of a catastrophic ride. Earthquake, the ride.
Is this ride any good?
Stars by World of Entertainment Incorporated.
Station control, this is train 13. Are we clear for departure? Roger, train 13, all clear. Station control, we have a train on our track and it's coming at us. We have a train on our track and it's coming right at us. Oh no! The throttle's jammed and we're out of control! It's okay. We're under control. There's been a train crash and it's on fire! Ladies and gentlemen, we're experiencing a minor tremor. There's nothing to worry about, so stay calm. On the right! Let's get out of here. I don't have a good feeling about this.
Oh, the stakes broke. Dude, this is better than anything in Dollywood.
Alright, don't worry.
Look at the spiders up there.
I can seriously not for sure people line in front of us at first.
Yeah, you gotta do that to make it look like there's people actually waiting for you.
Experience the excitement of catastrophic disaster training.